Think 2026 is just another year on the calendar? Think again. What if I told you there are forgotten reports, ancient predictions, and classified simulations that all point to 2026 as a year that could change everything? And the scariest part? Nobody is talking about it. Let's dive into 10 insane facts that might just keep you up at night. Our first warning comes from the chilling depths of space. It's called Atlas, an interstellar comet that's anything but ordinary. It doesn't follow the rules of a normal comet. Its path is erratic, and it's been emitting strange signals that have astronomers scratching their heads. Some fringe theorists believe these aren't just random space noises. They suggest something much bigger, something intelligent, is happening. And here's the kicker. Its closest approach to Earth is scheduled for 2026. This isn't just about science. Let's look at history. The famous prophet, Nostradamus, wrote chilling words. From the sky will come a great king of terror, a ball of fire that will burn the world. For centuries, people have tried to decode his prophecies. Now, many modern interpreters, using complex astronomical alignments, point directly to 2026 as the year his prophecy finally comes to pass. This eerie alignment between an ancient prediction and a modern celestial event raises more questions than it answers. Is it a coincidence, or a warning we've ignored for too long? Now let's get back to hard science. And this one comes straight from NASA. Their supercomputers are some of the most powerful in the world, capable of running millions of complex simulations. They've been modeling the sun's behavior, specifically looking for the threat of extreme solar storms in hundreds of thousands of these simulations. One year kept popping up over and over again as a critical point of failure. 2026. The year their models show a solar flare so powerful it could knock out our entire global satellite network, collapse power grids, and literally fry every piece of technology we depend on. Imagine a world thrown back into the dark ages, overnight. And the cosmic coincidences don't stop there. There's an old but persistent theory about a recurring visitor to our solar system. The same comet or celestial body that supposedly wiped out the dinosaurs is believed to return on a long, cyclical orbit. Guessed when the next peak of its orbital proximity is? You guessed it, 2026. You could dismiss it once, maybe twice. But when multiple independent theories, from science to ancient history, all start pointing to the same exact year, you have to wonder if it's more than just a coincidence. Many people are convinced it's not. Let's turn to another famous seer, Baba Vanga, the so-called Nostradamus of the Balkans. She made countless predictions. Many believe she foresaw major world events with uncanny accuracy. One of her most startling prophecies for the future pointed to 2026 as the year of contact. What kind of contact? She wasn't clear. But isn't it strange that right as we approach this year, the Atlas comet has begun emitting unusual radio signals that astronomers have detected but can't explain? The official silence on the source of these signals is deafening, and it only fuels the suspicion that something big is on the horizon. Beyond what we can see, there's a threat we can't. Deep within the astronomical community, a chilling discussion is taking place behind closed doors. They're talking about dark asteroids, massive, virtually invisible objects that don't reflect light, making them almost impossible to detect with our current technology. They are the ultimate cosmic ninjas, and internal data models, which are not widely publicized, indicate that the probability of a dangerous encounter with one of these unseen threats increases dramatically in 2026. The same year, again, it's as if all cosmic roads lead to this single, pivotal moment in time. If threats from space weren't enough, we have a major problem right here at home. Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us from deadly solar radiation, is behaving erratically. It's weakening and moving at an accelerated rate. This phenomenon, known as a magnetic pole reversal, is a natural process, but it's extremely rare, and its consequences are devastating. Scientific studies link past pole shifts with mega-earthquakes, colossal tsunamis, and catastrophic global climate anomalies. And several leading researchers have identified 2026 as a year of extreme geomagnetic instability. Now for a modern twist. Artificial intelligence. This AI we've built to help us predict space events and other complex phenomena has started issuing bizarre alerts. These aren't just about asteroids or solar flares. The AI's predictions point towards a potential technological moment. Artificial intelligence surpasses human intellect and becomes uncontrollable. Some theorists, looking at the exponential growth of AI, suggest that 2026 could be the year it decides to act outside its programming. A year it breaks free. It's a scenario that no government or organization on Earth is prepared to handle. Then there's one of the most terrifying threats in the universe: gamma ray bursts. These are colossal explosions from distant stars, so powerful they can release more energy in a few seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime. If one of these bursts would happen close enough, and its jet was pointed directly at Earth, it could alter human DNA on a global scale, instantly. Astronomical models that track these potential events are showing an increased risk window right around. You guessed it, those mil-20 says. If one of these jets hits us, there is no defense. There is no plan B. It's simply game over. And finally, we arrive at the most disturbing rumor of all. A rumor that, if true, suggests that the global elite already know what's coming. Whispers of a secret space evacuation plan, codenamed for 2026. The theory suggests that advanced spaceships, off-world bases on the Moon or Mars, and survival prototypes are already being built in the shadows. A plan reserved for a select few, while the rest of the world is left in the dark, without answers. It suggests that all these other threats might just be pieces of a puzzle that someone, somewhere, has already solved. These are 10 facts, 10 theories, 10 warnings, all pointing to one single year. From ancient prophecies and cosmic cycles, to supercomputer simulations and secret evacuation plans, the evidence is piling up. Many believe this is the information they don't want you to know. So, which one of these possibilities worries you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more truths they don't want you to find. Do it now, before 2026 arrives.